Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add received KrispCall SMS in Microsoft Excel. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new SMS on my registered number with KrispCall, then I want to add the SMS details in my Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So now to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I am going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be KrispCall and my action application will be Microsoft Excel. So if you want to learn more about this, make sure to follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add received KrispCall SMS in Microsoft Excel. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new SMS on my registered phone number with KrispCall, then I want to add the SMS details in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you're an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add received KrispCall SMS in Microsoft Excel, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as KrispCall to Microsoft Excel Automation, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to add received KrispCall SMS in Microsoft Excel. So to begin with the automation, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for KrispCall as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new SMS. So this trigger will start working whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS. Now moving to my action window, as I want to add the SMS details in Microsoft Excel. So over here I'm going to search for Microsoft Excel as my action application. And the action event will be to add row to worksheet. So here you can see that as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So I'm going to begin with the setup. So firstly, I need to establish a connection between KrispCall and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now in order to add a new connection, I need to mention the API key and the secret key. So to mention these keys, I'm going to take you to my KrispCall account. So this here is my KrispCall account. I will go to settings, and here in settings, I will go to developer. This here is the API key and the secret key. So I'm going to copy both of these keys and I'm going to paste in Pabbly Connect and click on save. So here I will click on save, and you can see that KrispCall and Pabbly Connect is connected. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here it says waiting for response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data could be recorded over here in Pabbly Connect. So now to do a test response, I'm going to send a SMS to the number that is registered with my KrispCall account. So I'm going to show you the SMS first. So this here is the SMS that I'm going to send. It goes as, hello, I'm current user. I've visited your website and I'm eager to enroll for PHP course. I would like to know more about the course, and I would appreciate if you can send a brochure to me on this given email ID, that is currentuser@pabblytunes.com. Hoping to hear from you soon. So this here is the SMS that I'm going to send on my registered number with KrispCall. So here in my KrispCall account, you can see that I have received a new SMS, and here you can see the content of the SMS as well. So that means I've successfully received a SMS on my KrispCall registered number. So the details of this SMS would have been captured inside Pabbly Connect as well. So taking you to Pabbly Connect, and yes, over here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. Here you can see the two number, that is my KrispCall number. Here is the ID. This is the from number, like from where the SMS has been sent, and over here is the body content. So here you can see the content of the SMS. So here in Pabbly Connect, I have got the details of the SMS that I've received on my registered number with KrispCall. So here this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So the first objective of this automation is setup. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS on the number registered with my KrispCall account, then automatically the details of that SMS will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So as I've got the details, now I want to add those details in Microsoft Excel. So to do that, firstly, I'm going to build a connection between Microsoft Excel and Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to add a new connection, and here I'm going to click on connect. So here I'm going to click on accept as this is a secure access. And you can see that the authorization was successful. So Microsoft Excel and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the workbook part. So this over here is the workbook that I've created by the name as of KrispCall SMS. It consists of 3 columns of from number, query and the ID. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect and firstly I'm going to select my workbook as KrispCall SMS. Here it is. And it has automatically detected the worksheet. So now moving to these column details. So here to mention the details in these columns, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from KrispCall, so that is why over here I'm going to map those details. So this is the content. Now moving to the column C, that was for ID. So over here I'm going to map the ID. Here's the ID. So as you can see that in these fields I've mapped the details. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. That means the SMS which I have received, so the details of that SMS would have been added in Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to take it to Microsoft Excel. So here you can see that in a new row, the SMS details has been added. Here is the from number, here you can see the query and here is the ID. So that means in this Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, the details of the SMS that I've received on my registered KrispCall number is successfully added. So this automation was a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS on my number registered with KrispCall, then automatically the SMS details will be added in Microsoft Excel in a new row. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.